Installing Solaire blue flame burners and infrared burners is as simple as lifting out the existing burner and installing the new U burner or infrared burner as seen here. The burner front venturi tube rests on the control valve and the back crossbar supports the burner level. When we slide in the U-burner, we cannot see the valve orifice, but by feeling it, we will slide the burner onto the end of the valve before clipping the back of the burner into the support beam. The infrared burner has a different shape and different venturi tube, but slides in exactly the same. With the burner clipped into the back support and safely over the control valve orifice, burners ignite perfectly after an installation that only takes seconds.